Hi, Mummy.
Hi, Avyu.
Did you learn what I taught you last time?
Yes,
Then will you show me?
sure. So, first we need to zoom the abacus using the two fingers.
Yes.
Then now I'm going to show the numbers. So first we need to start showing from the unit point. So if you push 1, this is 1. Putting it back. Then to show 2, put 2 beats up. That is 2. Putting it back. Then for 3, move it back. Then for 4, then push it back. Now for 5, you have to move this beat to the unit point. This is 5. So, is it correct?
Yes.
Thank you.
I'll teach you bigger numbers like 6 and 9.
Oh, wait, Avyu. Actually, Daddy has given me some homework using these numbers, smaller numbers.
Oh.
So first I would like to do that. So can you please help me?
Yes.
Okay. So here it goes. So he has given me first some additions.
Okay.
So can you teach me how to do it with abacus?
Yes.
Okay. So first one he has given is 1 plus 1. So can you tell me how to do it in abacus?
1 plus 1, 2.
Okay. So I'll write down. Okay. Now we'll go to the second one. This is 1 plus 3.
1, 3, 4.
Okay. Okay, let's do one more.
Okay.
So, this is 2 plus 2.
2 plus 2 equals 4.
Okay. Now I get it. Can I try one more? Is there? I would like to try this.
Okay.
So here they are telling it as 2 plus 1. So first we need to move 2 beats up. Then plus 1 means one more beat up. So it's 3.
Correct.
Good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I have some more. And these are some subtraction problems. Okay. So can you teach me these?
Yes.
Okay. First one is 3 minus 1. So how to do it?
3 minus 1 equals 2.
Okay, so like for minus I have to move them down?
Yes.
Okay, for addition we move them up, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay, now I got it. What are these things? It looks like a balloon for me.
It's a balloon only.
Okay. Then we'll go for the second one. So it's 2 minus 2. Can you show this one?
Okay.
2 up and
Minus 2.
minus 2 means 2 down.
So it equals 0.
Okay. Okay. Now I would like to try. Shall I try?
Yes.
So this is 4 minus 1. So I have to move the 4 beats up first. And for minus 1, I have to move 1 beat down. So it's equal to the remaining beats, that is 3.
Correct.
Wow. Now I am getting it. So there is one more. It's 4 minus 3. So I'll move first the 4 beads up, and minus 3 means I have to move 3 beads down. So the remaining is 1.
Correct.
Thank you. Now he has given me some more,
Really?
So much of homework, right?
Yes.
And this is having 3 numbers. So can we do even for 3 numbers?
Of course.
Oh, okay. So let's start with the first one.
Okay.
So this he's asking 1 plus 1 plus 1. So how do we do it?
1 plus 1 plus 1.
Okay.
So it equals 3.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay. So next one is 1 plus 2 plus 1. How to do this?
1 plus 2.
Okay.
1 equals 4.
Oh, okay. So it's 4.
Yes.
Okay. Then the other one he has given 3 plus 1 and minus 4. How to do this one?
3
Okay, all the 3 up. Plus
plus
1.
1 minus 4 equals 0.
Okay. So it's like 3 first have to move up, then add 1 to it, then minus 4 means I have to bring all the 4 down.
That's correct.
Okay. So can I try the next one?
Yes.
Okay. So it's 4 minus 3 plus 2. So 4 I'm going to add by pushing all the 4 up.
Correct.
Then minus 3 means I have to push 3 downwards. So I'm taking out 3 from here and pushing it down. Then it's plus 2. So from the down beads I'm going to push the 2 beads up. So I have to count. Now it's 3. Is it correct? Okay. Okay. Can you show this one more for me?
Okay.
It's 1 plus 3
1 plus 3
minus 3
equals 1.
Okay. Okay, always after finishing we have to set it back in the zoom position, right?
Yes.
Okay. And here goes one more which I would like to try. Okay. It's 2 plus 1. Okay. So 2 up plus 1. 1 more up. Minus 3. So 3 down. It's 0. Wow, I'm done with this too.
Is there one more?
Yes. Oh, this has 4 numbers. We can do for 4 numbers also.
Yes.
Can do for any numbers.
Yes.
How many ever? Wow. That sounds really interesting. So, can you teach me this one?
Yes.
So, it's 4
minus 3 plus 1 plus 2. 4.
Oh, nice. Okay, so we have to bring it back.
Do you want to try?
Okay, let me give a try. So in the next one it is 4. So I'll push the 4 up. Minus 2. So I'm going to push 2 beads down. Then 1. It's nothing but plus 1. So I have to move 1 more bead up. Then minus 3. So I have to bring 3 beads down. So it's 0. Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay, I'm getting it. So there's one more. Can you do this for me?
Yes. Now, plus 1
Okay.
plus 3
Okay.
minus 2
Huh?
minus 1
Okay.
equals 1.
Wow. So I find it easy to count using Abacus. I'm able to do it faster.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll try this one. So 3. So 3 beats up. Plus 1. So 1 more beat up. Minus 2. So 2 beats down. Then plus 1. So 1 beat up. So is it 3?
Yes.
Wow. Oh, there are some more. Can you do one for me?
Okay.
So it's 2 plus 1
2 plus 1
plus 1
plus 1
minus 3.
minus 3 equals 1.
Wow, it's so easy to calculate using Abacus.
Of course.
That's great. Okay, and here goes the last sum. So I would like to give it a try. So I'm putting it in the initial position. So first is 3. So I'm moving 3 beats up.
Yes.
Then minus 2. So I have to move 2 beats down. Then plus 1. So I'm adding 1 more beat up. Then plus 2. So I have to add 2 more beats up. So it's equal to 4. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Wow, my homework is done. We finished it so fast. Thank you for helping me, Avyu.
You're welcome, Mummy. We can do more problems in Abacus. I'll teach you at next class. I'm giving you 4 stars for the good job.
Thank you, and I'm also giving you 4 stars for helping me. Yay!
Yay!